2026 is start. I want to improve my English literally and very naturally. But I had practice English 7 day or 15 day, but my English is don't improve. I literally want to improve my English. I want to literally flourish my English, but how? I maintain my consistency, but there are not result in my hand. Okay, so in lot of question in your mind, so this video is literally for you. Okay, so before starting this video, if you want to improve your English, so you can watch my channel. That means content. I am upload on my channel a regular video, and this content related only English, regarding English. Okay, so you must watch this. Okay, and you are watching this video very first time, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, because today the question is, I maintain my consistency. I had maintained my consistency 8 day, 15 day, but my English is don't improve. I had faced a lot of type of problem, but this question is same for all of you, right? So how to start, how to start English in 2026, that means today. So you are facing this type of problem, so watch till end. Okay, because the same problem facing all of people, lot of people, but they are says I want to improve my English, but how? Because a lot of people they are start to improve English, but someone they are says I don't able speak English. I don't able because my background is not English. I don't have people to speak English. I don't have uh, uh, you know resources available to speak English and whatever they are says. But that is enough. That is enough problem for you, because anything if you want to improve, so you give 100% this type of question, this type of problem, right, to solve. Because one thing, anything if you want, they are not change suddenly, they are not change automatically. Okay, to maintain your consistency, to be perfection, to be you know regarding efforts, do efforts, or regarding the situation field, so don't give up. Because these are the one particular thing, if you want to maintain, if you want to this thing, if you want this thing, so maintain your consistency, don't forget this. Okay, these are the one particular thing. Second thing is, if you want to improve English, but you think about it, I don't able to do this. See, listen carefully. Anything is not easy, because these are the thing to give efforts, to maintain your consistency, work on it every day, and this thing is change to be very frequently. Okay, so don't forget it. Or 2026 is start, so that's why you just start to think about English, to read about English, to listen about English, podcast, video, or whatever, or something related only English. Every day you just start to read English. That means watch English, speak English, and whatever. Everything you should do in English or English. Okay, that is important. That is important thing. And as well, that means you don't watch everyday reels. Stop this. Stop this nonsense. Because you have to learn English. Because of English is the very, very, very important thing in your life. Because you want to achieve something, so you must learn English. You must start to speak English. Okay, these are thing is literally important for you as well for me. So that's why I start English before 3 months ago. And I don't say you just start to एक मेरे से नहीं होगा, कैसे होगा, मेरे पास तो कुछ नहीं है, माय बैकग्राउंड भी अच्छा नहीं है मेरा, एंड वॉट एवर समथिंग. you feel. I had feel the same problem, but I don't give up this when I start my English. Okay, so maintain your consistency and stop this scrolling everyday reels, because 15 day or 16 day in 2026 is already past. Okay, so start to work on it, because every day is new opportunity for you, for me as well. So start while English improving, while English speaking, and in order to English reading and whatever something. Okay, these are the most important thing, because the ambition you want to achieve something. So start this. Okay, start this and do this. Okay.